Hello there and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can turn off your last seen or your active status on Telegram. So when you turn off this setting, people wouldn't be able to see when you was last active or online on Telegram. Very much simple, just like on other social media platforms. So to do this, let's move to our profile by tapping on there, and now let's move to our settings here. Good. So at the settings section, let's scroll up. And now let's move to our privacy and security. Good. So at privacy and security, we scroll to privacy, and now let's see this. You can see last seen and online. So now you can choose between everyone, my contacts, and nobody. So you can see mine has been set to nobody. By default, it should be on everybody. And also you can change it to my contacts if you want people that you saved their number to see your last seen and when you're online. But then in my case, I don't want anybody to see whether I'm online on Telegram, so I turn it off by choosing nobody. So that's it on how you can turn off your last seen or your active status on Telegram.